September is Self-Care Awareness Month, the perfect time to reflect on the importance of taking care of ourselves. Self-care is not just about occasional indulgence or relaxation. It is about making conscious decisions every day that improve your overall well-being. From mental health to physical wellness, self-care plays a crucial role in maintaining a balanced life. When we talk about self-care, we often think about mental well-being, reducing stress, and finding time to relax. But true self-care goes deeper, extending to your physical health and how your body functions on a daily basis. As we age, our hormone levels can fluctuate, leading to issues like fatigue, weight gain, loss of muscle mass, and reduced energy. Ignoring these symptoms can have a long-term impact on your overall health. Optimizing your health, especially hormonal health, is a vital part of taking care of yourself. Whether you are struggling with symptoms of low testosterone, imbalanced hormones, or weight gain, addressing these concerns can lead to more energy, better mood, and improved physical appearance. By taking control of your hormonal health, you are investing in your future well-being. At Prime Body, we believe that health optimization should be an integral part of your self-care routine. We offer personalized solutions to help you achieve better health through bioidentical hormone replacement therapy, testosterone replacement therapy, and other wellness treatments. Our goal is to empower you to feel your best, inside and out, so you can live a healthier, happier life. Prime Body's telemedicine platform allows you to access expert healthcare from the comfort of your home. Our experienced medical team will assess your unique needs and develop a tailored treatment plan to optimize your hormone levels, energy, and vitality. Hormonal imbalances can disrupt everything from your sleep patterns to your mood and metabolism. Hormone replacement from Prime Body can restore balance and improve your overall well-being. By addressing hormonal deficiencies, you will feel more energized and motivated to take on daily tasks. Whether it is hitting the gym or staying productive at work, you will notice a difference. Brain fog is often a sign of hormone imbalances. Optimizing your health can sharpen your focus and improve cognitive function, making it easier to manage stress and stay on top of your goals. With better energy and motivation, you will be more likely to engage in physical activity, leading to weight loss, muscle gain, and improved cardiovascular health. Prime Body offers individualized treatment plans based on your specific health needs, ensuring that you receive the care that is right for you. This Self-Care Awareness Month, make a commitment to prioritize your health. Your health is the foundation of your self-care routine, and with Prime Body's expert support, you can achieve optimal wellness and live your best life. Visit primebody.com today to learn more and take the first step towards a healthier, more fulfilling life.